Hey guys, it's Shaheena. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys another makeup look. Well, honestly, I know it's prom season in some other countries, but recently I've been like on YouTube and all I see is prom makeup, and nobody's really doing like a Eid makeup look because I feel like Eid is like almost 1 month away. And I thought I'll get a head start, but let's do a prom makeup look today because Eid is like 1 month away. So today's makeup look is gonna be a prom slash ball makeup look, and yeah, I'm gonna use the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. Alright guys, so the rest of the video is gonna be a voiceover. So I'm gonna take the e.l.f. eyeshadow primer stick. I'm sure you guys know this by now that I've been using it in my other eyeshadow tutorial. So I'm gonna take that and practically just prime my eyelid. I was gonna say eyeshadow, but my eyelid. Anyway. Then I'm gonna zoom into my eyes because I felt like the camera was way too far away. So I'm gonna zoom in and I'm gonna show you guys the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, and I'm gonna show you guys the shade that I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use that brown at the top and that brown at the bottom on my crease area because I want it to be really, well, not chocolatey brown, and not the brown that it looks like you got punched the eye, but the brown where it's like really smooth and like it's pretty. So I was attempting to get that brown, so that's why I will be going back and forth with these two eyeshadows on my crease. I'm sure you guys will see that later on in the video. So here I am just building it up because that's how you just build your eyeshadow up to the color that you want. And of course my eyes were itchy. Even they are itchy up till now when I'm doing the voiceover. I don't know why. I think it might be allergic reaction to something that I might have used. But anyway, I'm going back to the crease and just building the color up. Alright, so now I'm going to show you guys this other brown that I'm going to use to blend into my crease. I'm using that dark shaded brown. So basically I'm going to blend that in my crease as well as these three colors because like I said, I want it to be more of a mahogany brown shade, not like a brown that made me look like I got punched in the eye. And as per usual, I'm going to take my eyeshadow blending brush and just blend all the harsh lines that is on top of the crease. That is on top of the crease. So now that I've done my crease, I'm going to go back to the Morphe palette and use that really oceany brown, no, blue. My gosh, what am I saying? I'm gonna use that oceany blue on my eyelid as my main color, and I'm having trouble zooming in. Yeah, so I'm gonna use that on my eyelid. I'm gonna try to attempt a cut crease with just one eyeshadow, but I don't think that went really well. But anyway, I'm gonna use that blue on my half crease. Does that make sense? I'm gonna use that on my half crease, and then I will be using that under my waterline that I'm gonna, well, the waterline that you're supposed to put black eyeshadow on or black eyeliner on. I'm gonna use blue eyeliner eyeshadow on. What is happening to me? And then I'm just having a very hard time I'm gonna go back and forth with the same color and build it up as much as I can, because honestly there was a point in this like while shooting this video, while filming this video, I used my hands thinking the color payoff would come way more better and way more easier, and it will look much better without a brush. So here's me attempting it. Well, honestly it didn't make much of a difference, but the thing is that you just have to take a lot of the same eyeshadow in order for you to build it up. And the last thing that I'm gonna do is take a makeup wipe and just clean all the edges up that I don't want eyeshadow to be on. So you guys are gonna see me do that, and then I'm gonna show you guys my look. Hey guys, so I'm back and I hope you guys like this video and the prom makeup look. I know it is out of nowhere with the blue and the red lips, but honestly you can always change the look up even if you want to, and I hope you guys like this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.